Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this new device that I got. This is a jump starter kit made for Milwaukee M18 battery. So this cap here basically goes to the battery, and the clamps here obviously goes to your dead battery, not the Milwaukee battery obviously. And this is going to be using a 5 amp hour battery, so not extremely big, and we're going to test it to see if we can power this lawnmower up. This is the item that I bought from Amazon. It's $21.99, and the description says jumper cable clamps compatible with Milwaukee M18. Comes with 6.2 feet 8 gauge cable. It has 92 positive review. So this lawnmower, I've been delaying getting a new battery for it. I'm going to show you that it doesn't start. Okay, let's get the choke on, and okay, and then try to start it to show you. It almost started, but it just so next thing we're gonna do is let's power this off first, and I am going to uncover these things, the plastic covers that is, plug it into the battery, hook it up there, and let's try to jump it and see if it works. Okay, let's try to start it. Okay, so I got the charger, or sorry, not the charger, the jump starter plugged into my voltmeter, and is showing 20.15 volt DC. That's pretty crazy. I was expecting 18 because it's supposed to be an 18 volt, but I guess I was jump starting the battery using 20 volt. So having that fact or knowledge now, make sure you only have this jump starter on your battery that you're jumping for a short amount of time, maybe less than 5 minutes, because I don't know what the effect would be if you leave it more than that, 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max. I mean, you'll charge the battery a little bit, but that's too high. It's almost doubling the let's say a 12 volt battery is typically what you will be jumping, and is applying 20 volt right here. Anyways, just want to show you this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.